What this system allows us to do is individuals on the ground with data communication tablets supplied by the vendors can demand kit to their specific location.
Before starting, I ask you to like this video, subscribe, and at the end, share this video with your friends. Let's go!
Human-machine teaming. What we're trying to do here is develop the optimum mix of humans and machines so that the soldiers that we have on the battlefield at the moment can be augmented with new technology that will allow them to generate greater capacity and capabilities on the battlefield. Robotics and autonomous systems is effectively about meshing three things together. It's about people, data, and technology. And that's what we've been doing through a really demanding series of experiments that are going on behind us. So what we're really looking to do is, with that foundational layer of people, build the digital skills and expertise that are able to operate and understand the benefit that they can gain from these systems. The next layer is about the data, and the data that all these systems require to remain connected to each other and allow us to connect sensors through deciders to a whole series of effectors. And lastly, the element that you see most often is the robotic element of it, which may, we hope in the future, become increasingly autonomous, which frees up soldiers to do the things that they are really good at, which allows the robots to get on with doing the dull, dirty and dangerous jobs. So the next thing that you'll see from Future Force Development and the Expeditionary Robotics Centre of Expertise is a series of really well-resourced competitive spirals where we will invite industry to work directly in support of a field army formation to ensure that industry and their engineering expertise is, with the minimum amount of disruption from the process, able to be inserted onto the battlefield into the hands of the user in the fastest possible time frame.
Here conducting an experiment with Project Theseus for 2 weeks up here on Salisbury Plain. Project Theseus is about autonomous last mile resupply to the forward echelons, so revolutionising how we demand and deliver kit to the soldier on the front line. What we've been doing here the last few days during the experiment is experimenting with the demand system, how the soldier on the front line demands kit from the echelon and how that kit is then delivered by autonomous ground and air systems. So the way Theseus differs from the in-service way of doing business is currently a single demand from each company group would come up to the echelon and then that kit would be sent forward as a single lift. What this system allows us to do is individuals on the ground with data communication tablets supplied by the vendors can demand kit to their specific location and then the CQMS back here at the A1 echelon can prepare those loads, put them onto the most suitable system, whether it's a ground vehicle or an air system, depending on the time frame that need to get that kit delivered in, and that will go forward then delivering straight to the soldier in his position. What we're aiming to do through the Project Theseus experiment is better understand on both sides, both internally to the Army and externally with industry, what our requirements are and what the technology can currently deliver so that we are set up for the next phase, which is the human-machine teaming project.